And I want to thank the Social Democrats for bringing this motion. I think it's a very reasonable motion. I think it's a minimalist motion, and they're simply asking for the government to take its obligations on the Genocide Convention seriously and support South Africa in whatever way we see fit, really. I can't think of a more basic motion to remind the government that they have obligations under the Genocide Convention. In relation to the comments from Deputy Collins, let me tell you that Palestine has been under siege for quite some time, and if you take the trouble to read, and I have the greatest respect for you, Deputy Collins, and if you take the trouble to read the submission from South Africa, page 59 to 67, leaves you in no doubt, not about Hamas, who I am on record as condemning, but it leaves you in no doubt as to what the President, the Prime Minister and all the various members of the Knesset and the Army tell you that they want to do. And just in case you're still in doubt and you think that it's me exaggerating, let me say the Israeli Army Colonel, whoever returns here, if they return here, they will have scorched earth. No houses, no agriculture, no nothing. They have no future. Another colonel, vengeance is a great value. There is vengeance over what they did to us. This place will be a fallow land. They will not be able to live here. That's the submission, and that's quoting directly from the original sources. So I stand here today and I'm appealing to the government to do the right thing. As I said, basic, simple motion that we stand as a republic, an independent sovereign state, and we use our voice while we still have credibility. And that credibility is rapidly running out. Last night I asked the Taoiseach a question in relation to what money goes to Ukraine, and with the help of his answer and the fact sheet from the EU, 67.7 billion from the EU, member states and European financial institutions going to Ukraine in various guises. 67.7 billion. And you ask, what have we done for Gaza and Palestine? And he says, we're giving money to UNRWA and various organisations. Most of those organisations have been labelled terrorist by Israel, and all of their offices have been raided. In addition to the 25,295 people dead, 151 are UNRWA workers, supposedly the organisation that we support. And then in his speech we're told that people of Palestine can't wait, and that's exactly what he's doing. We're going to wait to see what the big boys do in Europe, to see what motion can be put together. But we're not part of the big boys club. We're an independent sovereign state, and we call out when something is wrong, and this is wrong. And at the very least, we should support the proud South African state that have taken this case and stand with them. That's the most basic thing we could do. Thank you.